Hi guys, so today I have a message to all my African brothers and sisters in United Arab Emirates. Especially I'm talking about Uganda, Cameroon, Ghanaians and the rest African countries. Now before you start insulting or putting down your negative comment, I would like you to watch this video to the end so that you will understand what I am talking about. My name is Christian Milo. Don't forget to like this video before we start. Now let's go to the real deal. Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Christian Miller. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Like I said, today I'm about to talk about a very sensitive topic, and which most of you will start insulting or putting down a negative comment without even listening or watching the content of this video I'm about to make. Now, I want to make this video in reference to my last post regarding what happened in Charger, because they saw a Cameroonian flag and they saw Ghanaian flag. They actually think that I was saying that it was Cameroonian or it was Ghanaian that did the stuff. Now, I want to make this clear so that everybody will understand this. Because anything, if you feel like because you're a Cameroonian or you are Ghanaians, what affects Nigerians will not affect you, you're actually lying. Because to be sincere, as long as you are black in this country, you are Nigerian. As long as you are black, you are an African in this country, you are considered as a Nigerian. Don't forget that Nigeria is the largest and the most popular black nation in the world. And if we have an issue, it affects the whole Africans, it affects the whole black people. And that is why if Nigeria commits an offense, the other nationalities, which is the Cameroonian, Ghanaian, Uganda, Kenya, they might pay the price. Because if a Nigerian is working in the company and maybe they had a problem with the company will automatically stop applying employing Africans, because Africans are Nigerians. Now, why am I saying this? In my last video, I was talking about how we will start posting, something that will actually present us good, that will make our image better, because some people are trying to tarnish it, but it's in our responsibility to make it look nice. But because you see a Cameroon flag or you see Ghana flag, you say it's Nigeria. This one is. I saw a lot of comments. I was not heartbroken, never. I'm not even surprised, because I know those kind of comments is going to come, and I know in this video I am also ready, because if you think that you comment I will leave you, I will reply you. You get? So what am I trying to say? We all Africans had a problem, and the only way to solve this problem is for us coming together. If we cannot come together, we cannot solve this problem. Oh, I'm Cameroonian. Oh, I'm Ghana. Now Nigeria people doing this. So it is Nigeria. Excuse me. Now, I want you to check every companies in UAE that don't employ Africans. It's probably because a Nigerian person committed an offense. And now, instead of you to start posting, uniting Africa, just like I did in my former video, trying to create a message and say no to cultism in UAE in general. I'm not talking about Nigeria, I'm talking about Africans. Now, instead of you to listen to the video, listen to the content, then put your opinion, then because you see Cameroon flag, you see Ghana flag, then you start insulting. You start fighting on the comment section. It is Nigerian people that is causing problem. Another Nigerian person will come. It is Cameroon people, they do something and they will say it's Nigeria. Yes, it's true. It is true. We all now focus Nigerian because Nigeria is popular. Now, when anybody commit an offense, they now refer, as long as you are black, they refer you as a Nigerian. And that is where we as a Nigerian or Nigerians are having problem also. Because you as a Cameroon person that speaks English, you the Ghana person that speaks English, once you committed the crime, it is labeled Nigerians. Even I've seen it koro in my eye that in a company, a Ghana person was causing problem, and the boss was explaining and he's calling a Nigerian. So that's to give you the mindset that you are, as long as you're a black person, you represent, you are a Nigerian. If you like, you drag with me. If you don't like, you believe me or not, we all represent African national. And if you feel like you're representing the Cameroon or you're representing the Ghana, here it does not count. We all, it's not like, yes, the Indian, Pakistan, Bangladesh in Asia country, but they don't recognize them as Asia. They recognize them as their different nationality. But in our own, it's very different. They recognize the whole Africans as Africa. You get? That is why if a Nigeria person had a problem, it will affect the whole of Africa. It will make the company not to employ any African nationality. And if a Cameroonian person or Ghanaian person committed an offense, they refer the person as a Nigeria. This is, we're all in the same cycle. So what am I trying to preach? Let us try to promote love, unity. Because right now, Africa, we are like one country. We are like one country. Forget that it's a continent, but we are the most, let me say, in the mindset, we are the most united, because when people see us, they don't differentiate nationality in us. If a Nigerian person is standing here, Ghana person is standing here, Cameroon person is standing here, once another people comes in, they will refer everybody as a Nigerian. Do you understand? So what am I trying to say? Remove a sentiment, remove negativity from your thoughts, and if you start to say, this fight will happen, the Nigerian people, how did you know? Were you there? Do you know how many people that was arrested? Are you there in the scene of the... If you present yourself as a witness, then you see yourself in the police station. Do you understand? So let's remove this mentality, because I'm just saying this so that it can help you guys that is trying to make this thing look, look very tattered. Like, I cannot believe, especially this group that is called African in UAE. I don't understand if the admin is not. I try to reach out to the admin, but I cannot get him, because I don't know if he's still active in the group or something happened. I don't know. But what am I trying to say? All of you should mind what you put on Facebook and what you comment on Facebook, because if it's hitting, it will hit you. See, let me tell you, it will hit you. You are a Ghanaian, you are Cameroon, you are Nigeria, you are Uganda, you are Kenya, you are from anywhere, Senegal, wherever you came from. I will speak it a friend. Si tu es Camerounien, Ghanaian, Nigeria, ou bien les Sénégalais, les choses que tu parles, everything that you speak, it will come back to us. Do you understand? So let us mind the comment we put out on Facebook to try to make it look like you, if in your mind you are trying to bring out your country to be the good one, but you are killing yourself. Why? Because that Nigeria that you are fighting, you are also part of that Nigeria. In their mindset, you are Nigerian. So if they want to attack, they will attack you also. You will face the consequences. That is what I came here to do today. It is high time we start preaching love than hate. It is high time you start posting love than hate. It's high time you start posting positivity than negativity, because when it's going to hit, it will affect all of us. It will affect all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, I have for the flight issue. I want you guys to understand that it is not only Nigeria that was suspended, because it's like these people are taking this mindset. Pakistan flight is not working. Indian flight is not working. South African flight is not working. Bangladesh flight is not working. Philippine flight is not working. No flight is working apart from Europe and America. No flight is working apart from. If you have any country that is still coming into this UAE, let me know. Drop it at the comment section. Right now, no flight is working. Even in Asia flight is not coming into UAE for now. So do not say, it is because of this one that they suspended the flight. It is because of this one that they stopped Nigeria. Uganda is not coming in. Congo is not coming in. Which country again? Even other African nationalities. Cotonou is coming in. Ghana is coming in. Other African nationalities is coming in. But if you come to Asia, Pakistan's flight is not coming. Indian flight is not coming. Bangladesh flight is not coming. Philippine flight is not coming. So what are you trying to sentiment? What are you putting in sentiment? As in, I don't understand what you're trying to say. Let us remove negativity and think of something positive. If you have your tickets, go through the next route. Go through the next route. If you don't have, if you have your visa, go through the next. You can go through Cotonou, go through Ghana. If you don't have visa, you wait until the flight resumed. There is no issue between Nigeria government and UAE government. There is no issue. It is just what they call it. Let's just say the pandemic, and they try to put on the protocol in order. So stop your negativity and put on something positive. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris Amilo. In case if you want to insult me, put my name Chris Amilo so that I will know that you are insulting me. And don't forget, me, I know the person that you insult and will leave you. I will reply you. My mouth not a short. I will reply you. So if you want to insult, but just carry it in mind that I'm going to reply you. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris Amilo, and here we'll bring you everything that has to do with Dubai, United Arab Emirates, with the jobs and employment. If you like what I'm doing, kindly subscribe. If you don't like, go your way. But if you like what I'm doing, kindly subscribe, like this video, and also keep updated that I will be live, always live on every Tuesday to discuss live on the issue that has to do with UAE. So ladies and gentlemen, here is a channel that educates you more of jobs, employment, and other things that has to do with Dubai, United Arab Emirates and its jobs. If you are here to watch some of my videos, kindly go to my channel, check the UAE updates video playlist. Then you will see most videos that you will like to discuss about. We have talked about labor ban, immigration ban, limited and non-limited contract, passport renewal, how to go to the embassy, how to apply for passport if you are in Dubai, if you are in Fujairah, if you are in Sakema, if you are in Maquin, if you are in Alain or anywhere. There's one way to apply for passport. But for you to learn that, go to my channel and go to playlist at Dubai update in my channel, Chris Amilo Dubai. So ladies and gentlemen, here is a place that will bring you what you need to know about Dubai. Keep supporting, keep liking, and I will see you next time on this day, on any time that God permits. Thank you guys, and God bless. Peace off.